The computer blue screen code can determine the cause of the blue screen. Different blue screen codes have corresponding solutions. If you see this blue screen code, it means that the cause of the computer blue screen is excessive CPU overclocking. The solution is to activate the automatic repair function, fix system errors and set the CPU to factory frequency. Seeing this blue screen code means that your computer may be infected with a virus. Turn on the computer and hold down F8 to enter safe mode to disinfect the system. If this blue screen code appears, it is most likely that the graphics card is damaged or an incompatible graphics card driver is installed. The solution is to download a graphics card driver from the official website or replace the graphics card. If this blue screen code appears, it means that the cause of the blue screen is mainly the hard disk or related to the system. The solution is to reinstall the system or replace the hard disk, which can basically solve it. The reason why this blue screen code appears is a memory management error. Unplug the memory stick and wipe the gold finger with an eraser. It will most likely be solved by plugging it in again. The occurrence of this blue screen code is most likely due to a computer driver conflict. There are more problems with graphics cards and chipsets. The solution to this problem is to enter safe mode and delete recent updates, installed graphics cards, and motherboard drivers. If it is a computer compatibility issue, you can use system diagnostic tools to check to see if there are compatibility issues with the keys and drivers. This code usually appears because the motherboard BIOS cannot fully support the ACPI specification. The solution is that if there is no corresponding BIOS upgrade, then press F6 if you need to install a third-party SCSI or RAID driver. Prompt appears when installing Windows. When pressing the F7 key, Windows will automatically disable the installation of alcohol and install standard PC HAL. This code is related to the hard disk. It is a setting problem or a hard disk boot partition error caused by a virus. The solution is: turn on the computer and press the shortcut key to enter the BIOS setting interface. Press the right arrow on the keyboard to move to the Advanced option, then press the arrow to select IDE configuration and press enter. Then select SATA operation mode and press enter, F10 to save the settings. If you need more professional technical support on the solutions to common blue screen codes, you can download the driver. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment area.